Alright then, just another quick one. Hermex 6-pin padlock, present from SPPed. Thanks for that, mate. Nice one. Yeah, seems to be 6-pin. Alright, one of my tension wrenches. Threw this one together, as I made a few, by using the two locks. I don't know if you guys can see the twist in that. You know, I mean, it's a hell of, it's not just half a twist or something, that's virtually a full twist. And a bit, I think. Yeah, by using the two locks together and twisting it. So no, anyway, so key, padlock, yep, bottom of keyway, slimline Peterson to the back. And there you go. Just a quick one. Thanks, gentlemen. I'm off to bed.